Hello and welcome to my CloudFusion commercial review. My name is Juliana and today we will go through CloudFusion commercial review. Lightning fast platform to store, backup, host and deliver Ultra HD 4K video trainings, website images, and media files at unbeatable one-time price. Get CloudFusion with all the upgrades for 70% off and save over $697 when you grab this highly discounted bundle deal. Save $697 right away. Deal ends soon. If you buy from description link you will get $2,000 bonus instant only. You need to take a screenshot of payment receipt and send me on my mail which is given below in description. In $2,000 bonus you get complete Nexus GPT package, FE plus all upgrades plus agency license, provide top-notch services to your clients, no monthly payment hassles, it's just a one-time payment, grab all benefits for a low, one-time discounted price. Get priority support from our dedicated support engineers, get 30 days money-back guarantee. Dear friend, hurry! Special one-time price for limited time only. Use coupon code CloudFusion for an additional $50 discount. Here's what you get with limited time. CloudFusion discounted bundle today. CloudFusion commercial, $97. Host and manage all your files from one easy dashboard, videos, web images, PDFs, docs, audio, and zip files. Super fast delivery, after all, time is money. This lead to more engagement, leads and sales. Play sales, demo and training videos in HD on any page, site, or members area. Tap into huge e-learning industry, deliver your videos, docs, and PDF training on done for you in beautiful doc sharing sites and pages. Use our app to help speed up your website, landing pages and online shops with fast loading and optimized images and videos. Build your online empire, deliver digital products securely, fast and easy. Generate tons of leads and affiliate sales, deliver freebies and affiliate bonuses to your subscribers without a hitch. Share your files privately with your clients, customers and team members. Free hosting is included, unlimited bandwidth and up to 250 GB storage. Plus, limited time free commercial license, only for today, to serve your clients. Elegant, SEO optimized and 100% mobile responsive file share pages. Inbuilt lead management system. Access files anytime, anywhere directly from the cloud on any device. Highly encrypted unbreakable file security with SSL and OTP-enabled login. 30 days online backup and file recovery so you never lose your precious data and files. Single dashboard to manage all business files, no need to buy multiple apps. Manage files effortlessly, share multiple files, full text search and file preview. Inbuilt elegant video player with HDR support. Real-time analytics for every single file you upload, see downloads, shares, etc. Easy and intuitive to use software with step-by-step video training. 100% newbie-friendly and fully cloud-based software. Live chat, customer support so you never get stuck or have any issues. Pro Upgrade 1, CloudFusion Elite, $297. Break free and go limitless, create unlimited subdomains, businesses, add unlimited custom domains, capture unlimited leads, share unlimited files and get unlimited views and visitors, get unlimited bandwidth, create unlimited channels, create unlimited folders and subfolders. Create unlimited custom domains, build your authority and credibility. Share or publish unlimited files, get unlimited views and unlimited visitors. Create unlimited, beautiful channels with your logo to deliver your trainings, files, and documents effortlessly. Keep data separate and secured for your team members with personal drive for them. Maximize social traffic with hassle-free social media sharing. Cutting-edge autoresponder integration to send your subscribers autoresponder sequence in complete automation. Get your subscribers auto-registered for your webinars with webinar platform integrations. Create unlimited businesses, subdomains to keep each of your own and your client's business project separate automation. Capture unlimited leads to maximize lead generation. Get unlimited bandwidth to give best user experience. Create unlimited folders and their subfolders and even share them with your clients or team members with folder management feature. Advanced share page analytics to have clear insight of what's working and what's not to boost ROI. Strengthen your relationship with your customers using CRM integrations. Get all these benefits at an unparalleled price. If you buy from description link, you will get $2,000 bonus instant. Only you need to take a screenshot of payment receipt and send me on my mail, which is given below in description. In $2,000 bonus you get complete Nexus GPT package, FE plus all upgrades plus agency license, provide top-notch services to your clients, no monthly payment hassles, it's just a one-time payment, grab all benefits for a low, one-time discounted price. Get priority support from our dedicated support engineers, get 30 days money-back guarantee. Pro Upgrade 2, CloudFusion Enterprise, $97. Use CloudFusion to upload unlimited videos, sales, training, prospecting, informative or review videos. Get an attractive video player completely customizable to your exact specifications to give it elegant look greater than. Customize color and theme of your player to give it more attractive and your brand feel. Publish videos on your branded video channels, give more content to your audience and get connected with them. Cater viewers from various countries and demographic locations with the same video using subtitles. Collect leads and sell products right inside the video and boost profits. Get hordes of social traffic for your offers by getting your videos shared on top social media platforms. Know exactly what's working for your videos with the power of deep analytics to boost your profits with virtually no extra efforts. Publish your videos anywhere you like in 3 easy steps, any website, landing page, online shop or membership site using just one line of embed code. Have full control and give unique look to your videos with 5 fully customizable video players. Prove yourself as pro entrepreneur, customize your player further with 8 attractive and eye-catchy video frames to get all your visitors hooked to it. Show your brand name or logo on player and present yourself as an authority. This feature alone is a huge value for your business. Unlock our advanced advertisement technology for better monetization with video ads, image ads, text ads. Get 50+ proven converting and ready-to-use lead, promo and social ad templates with drag and drop editor to make hundreds of unique video ad templates. Capture more leads and no visitors feedback one-time fee by letting all your visitors interact on your video page or channel. Pro Upgrade 3, CloudFusion Agency, $197. Directly provide trendy content, free traffic generation, and lead generation services and charge monthly or recurring amount for 100% profits. Comes with dedicated dashboard to create accounts for the customers in 3 simple clicks. Serve unlimited clients with agency license. Completely cloud-based tool, so no additional domain or hosting required. Add unlimited team members. Accurate analysis for team members' activities for effective monitoring. And you're also getting these premium fast action bonuses worth $309. Bonus number 1: live training, 0 to 10K a month with CloudFusion Reloaded. First 1,000 buyers only minus $1,000 value. Bonus number 2: private access to online business VIP club. Bonus number 3, video training on how to start online coaching business. Bonus number 4, lead generation video workshop. Bonus number 5, video training on how to make money with affiliate marketing. Grab this exclusive bundle discount today. Use coupon code CloudFusion for an additional $50 discount. Only on $297 one-time payment. If you buy from description link, you will get $2,000 bonus instant. Only you need to take a screenshot of payment receipt and send me on my mail, which is given below in description. In $2,000 bonus you get complete Nexus GPT package, FE plus all upgrades plus agency license, provide top-notch services to your clients, no monthly payment hassles, it's just a one-time payment, grab all benefits for a low, one-time discounted price. Get priority support from our dedicated support engineers, get 30 days money-back guarantee. Top reasons why you can't ignore CloudFusion Fast Pass deal. Reason number 1. Get all the benefits of CloudFusion and premium upgrades to multiply your results. Save more time, work like a pro, and ultimately boost your agency profits. Reason number 2. Regular price for CloudFusion, all upgrades and bonuses is $997. You are saving $700 today when you grab the exclusive bundle deal now at only $297. Reason number 3. This limited time additional $50 coupon will expires as soon as timer hits 0, so take action now. Reason number 4. Get priority support from our dedicated support team to get assured success. Test drive CloudFusion risk-free for 30 days. Your purchase is secured with our 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. Limited time offer. Get complete package of all CloudFusion products for a low one-time fee. Use coupon code CloudFusion for an additional $50 discount. Only on $297 one-time payment. If you buy from description link, you will get $2,000 bonus instant. Only you need to take a screenshot of payment receipt and send me on my mail, which is given below in description. In $2,000 bonus you get complete Nexus GPT package, FE plus all upgrades plus agency license, provide top-notch services to your clients, no monthly payment hassles, it's just a one-time payment, grab all benefits for a low, one-time discounted price. Get priority support from our dedicated support engineers, get 30 days money-back guarantee. We are always here by your side. Get in touch with us. Thank you.